Welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to install the game bar on your Windows computer. If you're looking to use this tool for capturing gameplay, chatting with friends, or checking system performance, follow along and we'll have it installed in no time. Step 1. Access the installation link. I've provided a link in the video description. Copy it and open it in your browser to go directly to the Microsoft Store webpage for GameBar. Step 2. Open the Microsoft Store. Once you're on the Microsoft Store page, you'll see an option to download GameBar. Click on it, and it will prompt you to open the Microsoft Store app on your computer. Click the prompt to open the Microsoft Store. You'll be directed to the GameBar's page. Step 3. Install GameBar. If GameBar is not already installed, you will see an Install or Get button. Click on it, and the installation process will begin. You can also install GameBar through the Xbox app. If you already have the Xbox app installed, you may get a prompt asking you to install GameBar through it. Follow the instructions provided to install GameBar from there as well. Step 4. Final check. Once installation is complete, you'll see an Open button in the Microsoft Store. Click it to launch GameBar, or press Windows plus G to access it directly from anywhere on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully installed GameBar on your Windows PC. Now you can easily capture and record gameplay, monitor performance, and chat with your friends while gaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching.